This video tutorial explains how to download and install AnyGantt Extension in Qlik Sense Cloud. You can request AnyGantt Extension for Qlik at qlik.anychart.com. Please note that you should fill in all the fields in the request form. The download link to the AnyGantt archive will be sent to your email address. After the download is complete, extract the archive. To install AnyGantt, you need to access the Management Console. Click the navigation link Administration under the user profile in the hub. Alternatively, you can add /console to your tenant address. In the Management Console, go to the Extensions page and click Add. The Add New Extension dialog opens. To install AnyGantt project, select its archive. Click Open in the File Explorer window, and then click Add. To install AnyGantt resource, add another archive. When you work with Qlik Sense Cloud, AnyGantt Extension with the project and resource charts will be there. Thank you for watching. To learn more about the product, visit qlik.anychart.com.